Heyo! What's up, everyone? I don't know if you've seen this thing on MightyCarMods. I think it was one of the episodes with Twisted, and this thing is amazing. So I was out at my local, like Sam's Club, Costco. It's like a bulk store, and they have some cool technology sometimes. And this they had, and I said, "Oh my gosh!" Now, first off, I'm looking at the color scheme, and it looks like it's Ryobi, but it's not. It is EPower 360, and this thing is incredible. Comes with a freaking tripod. I mean, how cool is that, right? And then right off the bat, you've got all this type of like swiveling action. I mean, this thing does this. It goes in like a bunch of different directions, and I believe, yeah, this swivels. So you can have one that's back and one that's front if you really needed it. I mean, this is just incredible, man. It's got magnets on the end of it, so you can magnetize it. And not only that, but it has a hook on each end. So if you wanted to hook this onto something, you could. And it just makes it for, you know, there's a hook on each side. You might even be able somehow to attach this onto the hood of your car if you're working on your car, and you'll have some serious overhead lighting. It's amazing. It's glorious. The darn thing has two light modes. So you got this one, and you got even brighter. For how long it lasts, that might be an issue. Especially out in a cold garage. The cold will affect it. Max output 500 mA, 1200 lumens, which is really good. So you get that, the input, the output, that EPower 360. Here's the power button. The power button is only on one side, and it's only on this handle. But yeah, I mean, check it out.
Yeah, so if you appreciate this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not. We're going to be doing some really kick-ass projects this summer. Stay tuned, everyone. We'll see you soon. Later on.